The most important thing when copy trading on Polymarket is obviously finding the best possible wallets to actually copy. Setting up the actual copy trading task itself is very easy. I will show you how to do that later, but you should pretty much be spending 90% of the time researching and analyzing different wallets and finding the best potential ones. But I obviously know that that can be really hard. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how I personally like to research different wallets and find good potential ones to copy trade. Now I have some different methods and different websites that I would like to show you, but the first one, and a really good one, is Kreo. Kreo is also the copy trading bot that I will be using in today's example. It's a great copy trading bot, super fast transactions within 2-3 seconds. They have loads of great copy trading features, and they are basically brand new, so early users will still be rewarded, so you can sign up with the link down below to get less fees. But they essentially have a Telegram copy trading bot, which I will show you later, but then they also have this web app. So on this web app, you can see feeds and you can see all sorts of interesting trades going on. They also have an X feed where you can keep up to date on interesting and relevant news and anything that might help you get an edge on the markets. But what I want to show you is this smart wallet section. Right here you can see loads of different trades from what they consider smart wallets. For example, this guy is betting a lot on esports. You can just click onto him. You will get brought over to his Polymarket profile. And as you can see, in the last week, he's been super profitable. So what you then want to go ahead and do is analyze it further, look at what sort of trades he actually does. You can see his recent activity. Obviously, this guy trades a lot, and you can then decide if this is someone you want to copy trade. Personally, I'm not a big fan of copy trading people who makes many trades every single minute. I prefer finding wallets with a bit less activity, who's still active every day, but that makes more like anywhere between 5 and 20 trades a day. So this is probably not someone that fits for my style, but it's definitely a wallet that's worth keeping an eye on. Now the next one is Gobble Wobble. This guy basically only trades on Bitcoin up and down markets, and he's also been super profitable in the last week, in the last month as well. It's up over 100 grand. This guy also makes a lot of trades, but not as many as the previous guy I showed you. So this guy might be more relevant for me to actually track. So if I want to keep an eye on this wallet, potentially copy him in the future, I would just copy the address. I would go into wallet tracker and add him right here. But as you can see, I have already added him. So this is a great place to find super interesting wallets that are considered smart money wallets, but then they also have this unusual activity section. This is for super large trades or just brand new wallets making massive trades, which kind of categorizes them as an unusual wallet. So for example, here, this guy bet $23,000 on this market. So I can go into his wallet and research him more. You can see that this guy also has been doing really well. Seems like he very much specializes in US politics and the financial markets in the US. If we go into the activity, this guy is not as active, but he still makes a few trades every day. So this might be someone I am actually interested in copying. He has a lot of conviction on this trade. Obviously it is a pretty safe trade, but he has $170,000 on this single trade, which is pretty nuts. Now another wallet I found super interesting under unusual activity is this one, who basically only bets on Elon Musk tweet amounts, which is super interesting. So this one bet $17,000 on if Elon Musk will post between 115 and 139 tweets from February 9th to 11th. You can see that this wallet has been pretty consistently profitable as well. Look at this consistency, it's actually super impressive. And you can see that they're not only betting on like super safe markets like this one, they obviously bet heavily on this one at 99.9 cents or percent chance, so that is pretty safe. But they have also been betting very large amounts on a lot smaller markets with less of a chance. So this one is up 700%, $1,000, 700%, 600%, 400%. Like, this is very, very impressive. If I go into the activity, I also see that they're not trading as actively as some of the previous ones I showed you. So this is actually a very interesting wallet that I might want to copy. Now, another thing worth mentioning is that this profile does have 12,000 views. So chances are they do have a lot of other people copy trading them as well. So if you are going to copy trade them, make sure you're using a good and fast bot so you can get in before the others. But ideally, you do also want to find wallets with probably less than 1,000 views realistically, which means they are more under the radar and probably don't have as many copy traders. But if I click onto her X, you can see that this is a Polymarket trader and Elon Musk tweet researcher, because she basically only bets on Elon Musk tweets, which is super interesting. She's done super well, but she has a bit too many views for me to copy. But I might still actually want to track this wallet because I do find it interesting. So I go back into Wallet Tracker, add wallet, paste the address, you can choose an emoji. In this case, let's just call it Elon, add wallet, and I'm now tracking this wallet as well. And if you go back into feed and go to Wallet Tracker, you will see all of the latest trades made by the wallets you are following or tracking. But that's Kreo. You do also have some other great websites to use. So one is called predictfolio.com. Here they have a leaderboard with wallets doing very well. You can see total amount of trades, so you only need to click onto the ones that are relevant to you. I'm not going to copy anyone who's making thousands of trades, but for example, this wallet made 109 trades, so I can click on to this one and you get some more details on this specific trader. You can then open his Polymarket profile to see what's going on in here. And here I see that this guy hasn't actually been active for over a month, so that means that's not a very relevant wallet. I would just go back into leaderboard and look for some other relevant wallets. Then you have multiple other platforms just like this. So you have predicting.top. This is another interesting platform with a lot of social media profiles, and you can see their wallets and how they are performing. You can click on to their actual account and research it further. Then you have Polymarket Analytics, which I highly recommend checking out as well. They have over 2 million traders. If you go on to traders, you will see this entire list of traders. You can sort them by different filters and win percentage, etc. You can click onto them and research them. I will leave the link to all of these websites down below so you can do your own research and try using them for yourself. But once you actually find a good wallet that you want to copy, setting up the task itself is pretty straightforward. Let's say I just want to copy this Gobble Wobble guy. I go into the Kreo Telegram bot. Again, the link will be down below. It will get you less fees and some early user rewards. Click on add new task. Then you need to choose whichever wallet you want to be using to copy trade them. So obviously choose your own wallet. You need to make sure it has some funds in the wallet as well, obviously. Then paste the address you want to copy. In this case, let's do Gobble Wobble. Just enter a buy amount. You can change this later, and then it will look like this. So you can buy fixed amounts every trade. You can copy him exactly, or you can do a percentage or portfolio weight. So if he has a 10 times higher portfolio, then you will basically copy him for the same percentage of your own portfolio. But let's do percentage in this case. Let's say Gobble Wobble normally trades for $1,000 per trade. I only want to trade for 50. I just click on percentage. I click 5. Then you can go ahead and set your max buy limits, minimum buy limits, max spend per market, slippage, which is pretty important, basically meaning the difference in price you would maximum want to get in at compared to the original wallet. So if he's trading in a liquid market, gets in at 70 cents, and you have slippage at 10%, it means that the highest price you're willing to copy him for is 77%, which is 10% higher than his average entry. But if he moves the market more than that, you basically won't copy him. You can decide to follow buys as well as follow sells. You can also put your own stop loss and take profit. Once you have set all of this up, you're pretty much good to go. You can then go back, click onto the task you just created and start it up right here. It's now running and I'm now copy trading this person. These are some of my favorite ways of finding interesting wallets to copy trade on Polymarket at the moment. I very much like the smart wallets and unusual activity feeds on Kreo. But then I also like to keep an eye on these other websites that I mentioned, but all of them will be linked down below. Now, if you want me to put this to the test for a new challenge video where I use this strategy to find interesting wallets to copy, and I try to copy them for a week or two with, let's say, $1,000 and see the results, let me know down below and I will start working on that ASAP. Make sure to like and subscribe. Again, you can check out Kreo down below, which is a great copy trading app. And with that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys later. Peace.